In 2024, Apple is about to step up its game with artificial intelligence, AI, making big moves with iOS 18 as a major player in this advancement. Imagine your iPhone or iPad getting a lot smarter, able to do things quicker and more intuitively. That's what's happening here. Apple's boss, Tim Cook, has been dropping hints that they're going to make their devices a lot smarter with huge developments in AI technology this year. This year will mark a pivotal moment for Apple, as blending software innovation with significant hardware enhancements, iOS 18 is expected to be one of Apple's most significant updates. It's not just another update, it's going to bring a bunch of AI smarts to your Apple devices. This is all possible thanks to something Apple is working on called Apple GPT. Think of it like a super smart brain for your iPhone or iPad. It is being built on an AJAX framework, which they started working on back in 2022. It's going to make apps more interactive and intelligent. Now, let's talk about the brains of the operation, the chips inside your devices. News from the Taiwanese publication Economic Daily News about Apple's new chips, A18 and M4, are going to be used in iPhones and Macs. These chips are special because they have something called an upgraded neural engine with a significantly higher number of cores that are getting a big boost in power. This engine will be able to process AI tasks more efficiently, as it is what makes all the AI stuff possible, like being able to understand what you're saying to Siri or recognizing your face to unlock your phone. With these new chips, Apple's devices will be able to handle AI tasks even better. This means Siri could become way smarter, and new features that we haven't even imagined yet could be added to your devices. The cool part is that these AI features might first appear on the iPhone 16 with the new A18 chip that is coming out in September. There's talk that some of the coolest new AI features might only be on these new phones because they need that powerful new brain to work. Unfortunately, it's unlikely that all iPhones will get the same cool AI features. Why? Well, the fancy tech might be too much for older iPhones with aging batteries, slower chips, and less memory. The newer models also have better hardware called neural engines, which help them do AI tasks faster. So, Apple might introduce some simpler AI features for older iPhones, saving the full experience for the brand new iPhone 16. So, if you get the latest iPhone later this year, you'll be one of the first to see all these new AI capabilities in action. Keep in mind that older iPhone models might not get iOS 18 at all. Here's who we think will get the update and who might not. The iPhone 16 series, iPhone 15 series, and iPhone 14 series are likely to get iOS 18, along with the newer iPhone SE, third generation, while older models like the iPhone SE, second generation, iPhone 11 series, iPhone XR, iPhone XS, and iPhone XS. Macs might not receive the update due to hardware limitations. Over the years, Apple has been making this neural engine stronger and stronger. It started with just 2 cores, like the brain's thinking parts, and now it's up to 16 cores in the latest iPhones. This means the phones and computers can do a lot more at once and do it faster and better. There are also reports suggesting that the iPhone 16 lineup might undergo a makeover in its button layout. The Action button, which first appeared in the iPhone 15 Pro, could potentially become a standard feature across all models. Also, there might be a new Capture button that looks like a camera button. This button could make taking photos easier because it senses how hard you press it. This might mean the mute switch could go away to fit these new buttons. It's said that Apple might change how the cameras look on the iPhone 16. Instead of the usual diagonal setup, they might be up and down. This could let you do cool things like take special videos for Apple's Vision Pro headset. There might also be a new zoom lens that makes faraway things clearer. The Pro iPhones might have better lenses for taking pictures in the dark. The iPhone 16 Pro Max might have a special 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens, akin to the technology used in the wide lens, for superior low-light photography and amazing photos. Both Pro models could get a previously exclusive 5x telephoto lens they didn't have before, and the Pro Max might even get a super zoom lens. The Pro models of the iPhone 16 lineup might also see a size increase, with the iPhone 16 Pro reaching 6.3 inches and the Pro Max reaching 6.9 inches. Despite the larger size, they are expected to maintain the same thickness and overall design. Additionally, Apple might introduce micro-lens technology in the OLED panels to enhance brightness and reduce power consumption. Some reports talk about an always-on display for the iPhone 16. This means you could see things on your phone without having to turn it all the way on. It would be handy for quickly checking information. Yet another amazing feature to be expected is the Wi-Fi strength. Ming-Chin Kuo, who often leaks Apple news, thinks the iPhone 16 will have the latest Wi-Fi 7 tech. This might mean the new iPhone can go as fast as 40 GB per second. Wi-Fi 7 uses wider channels, up to 320 MHz, which could make it 2.4 times faster than the current Wi-Fi 6. We're not sure if only the Pro models of the iPhone 16 will get this, but if they do, the regular iPhone 16 will likely still get an upgrade to Wi-Fi 6E. These new chips aren't just for phones, they're also going to be in Mac computers, making them super smart too. And in some of the most powerful Macs, which will be configured with the more powerful M1 Ultra or M2 Ultra chips, the forthcoming M4 chip, i.e. this Mac might even get a chip with 32 cores. These cores help your device do a lot of thinking at once, making it super fast at AI tasks. What's really exciting is that with iOS 18 and these new chips, Apple is not just trying to keep up with other companies. They're aiming to change the game, making our devices smarter and more helpful than ever before. So they can do more for us in our daily lives, like helping with homework, planning our day, or even just playing music that fits how we're feeling. This could mean new ways to interact with your iPhone, iPad, or Mac, making life easier and more fun. As for the price, we don't know yet how much the prices might go up. But if Apple sticks to its usual pricing plan, the starting price for the basic model of the iPhone 16 should be about $800. The iPhone 16 Pro might be around $1,000, and the iPhone 16 Pro Max could go for $1,200. If you want more storage, like with the iPhone 16 Pro Max, you'll probably have to pay a bit more on top of the base price. It's important to know that the cost of the parts used in making phones has been going up, so there's a chance the prices for the iPhone 16 could be a bit higher than before. Plus, if Apple adds some cool AI features, they might want to charge more for it. But we don't think they'll actually raise the prices. For the release date, when you check out how iOS has been updated over the years, it's obvious that Apple always brings out new stuff and fixes problems in the iPhone software each year, and 2024 won't be an exception. Therefore, as we get closer to the Worldwide Developers Conference, WWDC, in June, where Apple usually announces these updates, everyone's eager to see what new AI advancements will do to change what our phones and computers can do. Apple's going into AI with iOS 18, and the new chips is a big step towards a future where our gadgets are not just tools, but smart assistants that help us in our daily lives. So, keep an eye out for iOS 18 and the iPhone 16. It looks like Apple's ready to bring us into a new era of smart technology, and we can't wait to see what they've got in store. That's the end of today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share it with your friends. Your support helps us create more content like this. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.